Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to bring up all the comments you have made on TikTok since you created your account. Basically how to bring up your past comments. Here's how to do it. Open your TikTok app, navigate to your profile, click on the three dots and click on settings and privacy. You have to go to activity center. Now click on comment history. Here you will find all the comments you have made on TikTok since you created your TikTok account. You can see the one I made in 2022 December is still here. If you want to go and modify or delete it, you click on it. It's going to take you directly to the comment. You can delete or do whatever you want to do with it. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.